what's up my winjas? This is your girl Maya. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick little flow that's going to work your hips, your ankles, your shoulder, and a little bit of spine too as we try to stay upright. Are you ready? Make sure you've subscribed so you don't miss any of this content that I'm coming at you. New videos dropping every Wednesday. This is an advanced flow. It's gonna test mobility everywhere, plus how well you can control and synchronize your body to move as fluidly as possible. So I'm gonna demonstrate it and then I'm gonna break it down for you, okay? So I'm gonna start in a really nice wide stance. I'm gonna go ahead into my Cossacks, drop that butt, throw in an internal rotation, fly over into a front step with a nice little rotational stretch here with the shoulder and the spine. And I'm gonna repeat. Cossacks over here, internally rotate, crack that hip open, fly over here, and repeat the front step with the little shoulder, arm, stretchy thing that I just did. So how do you even begin to do something like that? Make sure you have the proper prerequisite mobility in your hips. Check out my hip mobility tutorial that I've done. I'll link it up in the box below, okay? Don't be pushing any range that you don't have. Let's slow that down for you. All right, I'm gonna go to the left, nice and slow into my Cossack, so my legs fully extended. My knee is still tracking over my toes here. Come down, come down, come down. Drop it with control. From here, internally rotate the hip. You're gonna feel this nice little action in your hip joint right here. Bring it back. Get yourself front step. And nice and with control, we're shifting over again to this side. Cossacks, sit down, butt touches the ground, internally rotate the hip. Ready? Get yourself back up and then into your nice front step. In Animal Flow Series Part 3, I broke down the front step for you. So if you don't know how to do this, it's all in that tutorial, which is linked below as well. Okay, let's get back. The goal here is to try to move as slow and as fluidly with control as possible. You should not be having any pain. You should actually just feel really good. And then you're just gonna grease the groove and do this again a few times. And man, you are gonna be ready to deadlift, to squat, to lift really heavy stuff because your body is primed. You are activating through all the joints, lubricating the joints, bringing synovial fluid, bringing nutrients, blood, oxygen to all these babies, ankles, knees, hips. And in the front step, look at that, look at my hip flexors getting a nice stretch. Oh, and I'm breathing, getting my heart rate up. And let's do one more. Internally rotate, get up, fly on over. That's not an easy flow. It is advanced, so make sure you are ready for it. Okay, guys? So that is an example of an advanced flow that requires tons of mobility and body control. I will be throwing a few more of those up in the next few weeks, so make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. Let's stay connected. So you can find me on Instagram, I'm on Twitter, I'm on Facebook. Everything is under Move with Maya, MYA, and I will catch you next time.